Okay, so recapping, I've taken DICOM files, in this case not of a live patient, but of a model. I converted them into STLs, and I brought the STLs into Blender. Now from here, I have a fair amount of processing that I plan on doing. There's a few different scenarios that I might play out. I might prepare this as if it's for an external ventricular drain. I might do something as if it's a glycerol rhizotomy. I might just do this in a more generic sense. I'm still deciding on that. Um, but the scenario that I'm kind of playing out here is that these items will be prepped and then deployed to a headset. I'm thinking in this scenario a HoloLens. So that being the case, there's quite a bit to do. And as I discussed in the last video in this series, there's a lot of size issues, not just in the actual scale, but also in the number of vertices. I may have some issues with this being manifold. I'll have to see how the models looked and how they processed, um, where things are placed, where they are in relationship to one another. So I'm going to kind of go through this slowly, methodically, and doing a lot of very small steps. And the first step is I'm just going to delete things that I don't need. I'm not going to, this is not something where I'm going to be rendering the finished product. I am literally processing these items. So I'm going to get rid of the light, I'm going to get rid of the cube, I'm going to get rid of the camera. I'm going to just simplify things and just rename each of these items. So I'm double clicking in the outliner and just deleting. And I'm just going to go with the basic names: skull, head, etc. I think in the case of vents, I'm going to change that to actually call that ventricle, right? Yeah, VENT. Yep, I can spell. And then I'm going to leave it at that. I'll come back around in a few moments to deal with the more detailed items.